Okay guys, so in this video I will answer how to find those great opportunities to make a ton of money like this guy is doing. But since using filters doesn't always work and Twitter is very slow and a lot of this calls on the Soul Trending group aren't working very much, I've investigated another way of finding alpha. So in this video I will show you this amazing tool that I just discovered that I will use and see if it's really a scam, if I lose money, or if it actually works. So you don't have to, and you can learn from my mistakes. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So here we are, GMGN. This is an amazing tool, and it's like a social network for wallets, and you can trade, and you can copy trade. So you can also do the trending to try and find good pairs, but since there's so many scams right now, so many rugs, it's very hard to find one that's really good. You've seen me guys opening this. I have to do this 1,000 times because you never know what you're gonna get. You can get a good one, you can get a bad one. It's really a hustle. You gotta hustle it, you gotta do it, you gotta open these things hundreds of times and go into all these groups and see what they're offering, what opportunities are there, because you will find a gem eventually. But you just gotta look into the carbon, because the gems, the diamonds, they are inside carbon. So you gotta dig a lot and you gotta go through a lot of dirt. So this one looks like it's pretty early. It's like 15 minutes since created. That's good. Probably good for sniping. But anything that jumps so high up on creation and doesn't have any fundamentals, doesn't have a real life use case scenario where you actually use it for solving a real life problem, then it's 100% risky and probably a rug. Only get into it if you're an insider, you know what you're doing, and you're 100% sure you're gonna make money. Else, I don't recommend it because this drops to hell, as you guys just saw. It just dropped to hell, and it will go to zero very fast. Probably faster than what you can get your money out. So that's why it's kind of hard to find those opportunities. That's why we need sniping. That's why we need to learn how to do copy trading, so we can get in as early as possible and get out with our profits way before this happens. Okay? So in order to do that, I found this amazing crocodile app, GMGN, I believe. Let's take a look real quick. Okay guys, so here's a little bit of a backstory of this tool, GMGN. It was created by a team led by Jerry Ma, a seasoned developer. I knew it would have some connection with Asia. His name seems quite Asian, and we see some Chinese or Japanese here. So respectfully, of course, I am an admirer of their culture. So a seasoned developer with over 20 years of experience in building tool-based products and Hayes, a well-known grid trader and advisor in the cryptocurrency space, the team consists of approximately 20 to 30 members, many of whom have extensive backgrounds in Web2 companies, particularly in tool development and product management. Gary Ma, the founder of GMGN, Gary Ma has a strong background in product development and has been instrumental in shaping GMGN's data-driven and user-centric approach, which is true. This tool is amazing. It's way better than BullX, way better than Photon. And this is so we can make a ton of X's, a ton of multiples on money, because the trading on big exchanges doesn't really work that well because it's already too big to grow anymore, so you really can't make that much multiple in your money. So this guy has a lot of experience in tool development on Web2, asset creation, platform bridges the gap between complex blockchain data and user-friendly trading tools. Hayes, a prominent figure in the crypto community, is known for his clear involvement in memecoin trading and his role as a product advisor of GMGN. His personal experience, including significant losses in memecoin trading, inspired inspired the creation of GMGN as a tool to help traders navigate the volatile meme coin market more effectively. Because it is hard. I'm struggling. I'm employed because of AI, no fault of my own. I have a ton of experience, a ton of certificates in AI, and still can't find a stupid job. So I'll probably have to figure things out, but for now, crypto is my only way. So GMGN initially focused on Ethereum, but later shifted to Solana due to its faster transaction speeds and lower costs, which better suited the high frequency trading needs of meme coin traders. So it all started with Ethereum, but then it switched to Solana because of the low cost and the ability to move faster. So the platform has introduced innovative features like rat warehouse detection, which identifies insider trading activities, and smart money tracking, which allows users to follow high-performing wallets. The team structure. Team includes professionals with expertise in data analysis, security, and blockchain technology. They have prioritized user feedback, often implementing new features within a week based on user requests. Oh, that's great. In summary, GMGN was created by a collaborative effort between Gary Ma and Hayes, supported by a team of experienced developers and product managers, aiming to provide a secure and efficient trading tool for the meme coin market. Okay, so there we have some background on this tool. I think it's way better than Photon, although I do see that they kind of complement each other because Photon does have some tools that I really like, and vice versa. The other guys also have some tools that I really like. So this is my big bet. Lots of insiders, but GMGN can't catch those guys. Insiders buying and selling. And if we try to do this on GMGN, you guys will see that it doesn't have those marks. It maybe has it somewhere around here in the holders section, which has a lot of information, but you just can't see that here. So maybe over here in the holders. Anyway, besides the point, it does have a lot of information here. If it's a whale, if it's a top holder, if it's a VC owner, etc. It does have a lot of information that Photon doesn't have. Blue chip, and the most important feature, guys, that I wanted to show you guys is this: the part where you can actually find one of these guys that are trading, for example, holders. So you can see these guys are. This is a whale, okay? So it's like a Facebook or a social network for whales. This guy made $4 million, which is amazing. So let's take a look at his profile. We can actually see a lot of information that Photon does not provide for you, okay? So it seems like this guy just made a new wallet. And he's a whale by definition. So he invests big amounts of money, 20 grand, 30 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, a lot of money going into his wallet. He's holding it apparently for a big chunk of time. So this wallet is not a very good example because we can't see his profits. But the good thing that we can do, let me just go back to another one. The powerful part of this is that we can actually copy trade a very successful trader, guys. With that, gives us amazing power. For example, this guy, last 7-day profit and loss. This guy has a 688% win rate, 100% win rate. This guy makes more in his trades. He makes 5% of his trades are making more than 500% return on investment, which is more than 5x. And most of his trades are really good. 2x's. He multiplies the money 91% of the time. So this is gold. This is gold struck, okay? So whenever this guy trades, we can see his activity. And it wasn't long ago. It was 15 hours ago. So, and he trades significant amounts of money too. He's trading $5,000, $2,000, $4,000, a lot of money, $1,000, $8,000. And he made $1 million. Holy freaking, like, just I'm just processing that number. Okay, so this guy is someone we definitely want to follow, and we definitely want to do this. We want to see, not just follow this guy and copy trade him, which is something that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy trade this guys because I really need to make money. Because like I said, I'm unemployed because of AI, and it looks like it ain't gonna get better at any moment. So crypto's the way to survive. So here's a little trick that I just learned that is very powerful. So you go here and you search for this bot, call analyzer bot. I know it looks really scary, but don't be scared. So call analyzer bot. You grab this call analyzer. I want the chat. I want the bot. It's gotta be. Oh, it's just a group. It just copying it. Okay, hang on, guys. Okay, guys, I found it. You gotta be careful because there's a lot of copycats, and but yeah, be careful. Call analyzer bot. This is the guy. 28,000 monthly active users. It's a good sign, so you guys can find it. Careful with the ads. Sometimes they're legit, sometimes they're scams. Probably more than 60% of the time scams. So I just copied the address, okay? I just copied the address of this guy's last trade, which was pills to me. And we can open that, we can search that. What? Okay, so here you can see all the transactions of this guy got $5,000 in profit from this cryptocurrency, which is freaking amazing. Okay, so that is crazy. The amount of profit that this guy made, 130%. Okay, so what we want to do is that we want to be able to see where are these contracts coming, who's calling about these contracts, who's advertising these contracts. So we can find the groups on Telegram and we can be early to those groups. So this one worked. It looks like this one for some reason wasn't listed. So from call analyzer, total call. So here we can see the groups that are basically advertising this cryptocurrency launch. So Joy Boys calls, and you can see the profit that these guys are making 1,000%, 700%, 400%. I want to investigate how legit that profit is, but I'm going to join all those groups and see how it goes because I'm not having a lot of fun over here because a lot of the stuff that's coming out from this group uh, doesn't fit my fundamentals for investing. It either has no utility in the real life scenario, or doesn't even have a website, or pumps too much out of the blue. No big celebrity or famous person is backing it, or it has a bunch of red flags, a bunch of signs that it's a rug that you can check on Photon, that you can check on DMGN, and you can verify that. So I'm gonna follow this guy, and I'm gonna try copy trading this guy because this guy has to know something. He has to be on a group that I'm not in, and he knows something. Otherwise, how can he be making so much money? Okay, so I'm gonna pin this thing to the top because I love this bot, and I'm gonna join these groups. It's as simple as that. Just join it. It costs nothing. It's just you're gonna have your Telegram exploding all the time, but that's it. No cost to you. So 100% use this tool because you never know what group has that golden ticket, that diamond in the dirt that you're looking for so desperately for. So I'm joining all these groups And you never know, you might meet somebody, you might get in more information, and you can actually start making more money. So, well, that's a very powerful tool. I just show you guys two powerful tools, so you can do a little bit of sniping and copy trading there and make a ton of money. So this tool, I love it because it has way more information. Here you can see where it's listed, CTO community takeover. That means that the community took over the coin. This means that Twitter they renamed the Twitter, which could be a bad sign. You gotta use another tool to verify that. And there's a lot of interesting information. And you can see the blue chip score, which is interesting because that way you know like how many whales are here and how many of them, because whales tend to invest in good projects. So this is good to know. It's not panacea, a cure-all. It's always going to be successful, but it's good to know. So basically, the amount of transactions in the hour, which is great, probably gives you more information than DexScreener. No, not probably. 100% gives you more information. Liquidity burn. So it really helps a lot, guys. So if I go in here, you're gonna see a chart. The developer sold everything. That could be a bad sign. Sometimes it depends. If it's a real world application that has real life use case, then sell for your money's sake. If it's a meme, then it's normal. It's okay. It happens. So without that's pretty much my video, guys. I hope this was very useful for you, and you can start making a ton of money. I'm gonna try this out so you don't lose money. So I'm the one who's losing money. I'm learning with for you, so you can learn from my mistakes. So love you guys for watching and liking and subscribing. Please continue to do so. Have a wonderful day, guys.